Welcome to the Oracle Cloud Platform Partner Update. I'm Jürgen Kress, your host, and part of the Oracle Product Management team to support you as a partner.
This month's topic: Connect Oracle SaaS free certification, hands-on training for Oracle Digital Assistant, the chatbot platform, and our community webcast. So let's get started. For SaaS consultants who implement CX, ERP, and HCM solutions, we offer free certification and online subscription until December 31st. Get started and become an expert. As the community provides you with sales, marketing, and enablement resources, visit our blog to learn more. OIC Expert 2021. The next 3-day hands-on Oracle integration bootcamps will start October 19th for EMEA and October 5th for US and Canada. For registration, please see our community newsletter. As a community member, you receive our monthly newsletter with all announcements, upcoming trainings, our monthly webcast, and to collaborate at our Slack channel. Digital Assistant is Oracle's bot, as a platform to build customized solutions for your customers, or to use pre-built skills for SaaS services like the HCM solution or for Oracle Service. To get started, we offer a hands-on training in Spanish. It will take November 9th, 11th, 16th and 18th. We start with an overview including live demos. In part 2 and 3 you will learn hands-on how to build your own Oracle Digital Assistant, and in the last part we will wrap up with best practices. Please register at bit.ly/ODA Spanish, and we offer an English on-demand version at bit.ly/ODA Training 2021. This month's community webcast will take place October 26th. Grant Ronald will give us an update on Oracle Digital Assistant. Please join us on October 26th, 4:30 CET, bit.ly/pass webcast. On-demand recordings are available at Oracle Video Hub. Please subscribe to receive alerts for the next webcast. To wrap up today's webcast, in case you are not yet a member in the partner community, please register now. To get started with Oracle integration, we offer a free certification and learning subscription, including hands-on trainings. Become an expert in Oracle Digital Assistant with the Spanish hands-on training or the hands-on training in English on demand. Tune in our community webcast October 26th.
Thanks for watching.